Just another fun Saturday morning.
Saturday.
All right, we are back in Spokane, Washington. We
Yep.
made it.
Yep.
We drove up from Boise, Idaho this morning, bright and early. It's still early in the day, so that's good. And we have a project here in Spokane. It's about midway through the project, and we kind of popped in on them. So we're going to go check out the progress. Now, one of the really neat things that we allow our team to be able to do to save some dollars is stay in the house if it is an option to stay in the house. Sometimes they're not clean enough or ready.
Well, this particular crew came out of Seattle. They didn't have anything to do and they were slow. And I said, I got something in Spokane. I'm like, oh, we'll come do it. I'm like, all right. So they're actually staying in the house.
So we'll look past that
guy
piece
Joe's
of
not
it.
here today, but his crew's here. So
Yeah.
we walked through this one before here. It's really light remodel.
All right, let's go check it out real quickly, shall we? All right, we're going to check it out.
So real quick. We'll go downstairs and we'll see upstairs. So we painted everything.
This crew does a fantastic job at painting.
Paintwork is awesome.
They really do. It is tight.
They actually exposed the hardwood floors in here. It's the hardwood floors.
Oh, that's right. I can't feel carpet. That's good.
Nope. And look at the paintwork.
Awesome. Fantastic.
Doors are painted.
Fantastic work. All right.
A little bit of hardwood there.
And they did a paint job throughout the house.
So we actually went through
look at that.
And painted the hardware.
Love that.
Isn't that cool? Instead of replacing it, we painted the original 50
So
hardware.
smart. That saves some dollars too.
All the kitchen cabinets. Place some light switches.
We got that here too.
Wow.
Fantastic. All right. Where to next, love?
Bathrooms. I'm just going to leave no bathroom. Most of the same, actually.
Okay.
Put some lights up. Clean up the floor.
Easy.
These are the original cabinets from the 40s.
Wow.
So we are leaving them.
Wow.
Painted. We got all the hardware's behind you.
Okay.
Painted.
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
There you go. And I know they work in the basement, so we won't go down there right now, but it looks pretty good, huh?
This is fantastic transformation so far.
Yeah.
This team does a great job.
Yeah, the wood paneling is painted.
Oh yeah.
This room is just paneled, so we painted it. Looks a lot better.
Oh my gosh, so much better than the wood paneling from before, for sure. We're going downstairs.
Yeah, furnace still. So they finished this wall off.
Wow.
All this up here.
Look at this. They're going to paint this, you said?
I'll try to paint all this.
Nice.
Talk to Phil, see if he's going to do it. But we actually finished the walls off, so it's somewhat finished down here.
Yeah.
This wall was not here. We'll finish this off. And then in here, we'll get this all painted in here too. We still have. They're still working.
Can we peek?
Yeah, you can peek. Watch out for the wetness.
Peeking. Love that. Look at all the work done. This is incredible.
Yeah, they're gonna these painted doors are gonna be painted white, as I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll blend in. All this will be finished. The whole floor is painted later, obviously.
Oh, okay.
Just gets painted gray. Stairs, everything gray.
Nice.
So it'll look somewhat finished down here.
I love it. The team is just doing fantastic.
Yep. We'll let them do their own thing here.
All right.
How's that?
Beautiful.
We'll call it paint mode. They used the gloss black, which is fine. Flat black's a little bit nice, but gloss is okay. He's still got to paint the door on this, the garage door, and he's got to fix the chimney.
Okay. Easy stuff.
Yep.
All right, so we are back here in Spokane, Washington, and we're going to see if we can salvage the floors that we hope are underneath the carpet. Paul's getting his workout in this morning.
Cut it, but Yeah, I was like, gee.
Just another Saturday morning. Ooh. Look at, oh my God. Look at these floors,
That's
Paul.
funny. Funny that doesn't actually look that bad.
It's fantastic. Oh my God. Did we just score on the floor?
I'm afraid that I got a knife.
Okay. Look at this. I mean, they just look fantastic. Got a few nail holes in there. My goodness. These look fantastic. I don't recall seeing floors like this underneath carpet that looks this good in a very long time. Yeah.
Like dog in there. Cat. Don't want to kneel down on the floor. Yeah. This is very old carpet too. You ready?
Yep.
Oops.
Wow, honey. What do you think? Are you happy?
Yeah,
And my husband's happy this Saturday morning?
always happy.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I just saved us some money.
I think we'll just clean them up and buff them up a little bit.
That helped.
Yeah.
I like that. Score!
Now I can give Joe more stuff to do.
Okay. All right. Well, that was a fun surprise to uncover this morning.
We
Saturday.
knew we had hardwoods, I just didn't know what shape they're in. Hopefully they're pretty good shape. They look like it.
They look like it to me.
Actually, the rubber pad underneath is kind of nice.
Yeah. All right. Well, with that, you'll start to see the transformation take place.
Yeah.
We'll see you out in the field.
And we want to give you a little glimpse of what real estate investors do. I mean, as you know, we do this full time. And Saturday morning, we're here in Spokane delivering a fridge that we actually just came out of another house that's brand new, actually. And we're going to put it in this one. But since we're going to be out of town, we had to move it over here ourselves. So, kind of what life of a real estate investor is. Sometimes you just got to get in there and move stuff in your own. And, I carry a wide range of tools so I can fix different things. And it's kind of what we do.
Just another fun Saturday morning.
Saturday.
And this is the fridge, and we're here in Spokane, and
Yep.
it'll be a good day.
It'll be a good day.
All right.
Pretty much it.
That's it. Well, it's a great midway project update, and I'm excited to see the progress. How about you?
I am too. So it's getting close.
It is. So you'll
Yeah.
want to make sure you come back and watch for the final transformation. This crew is going fast, and they'll probably be done about how long?
A week or so.
Another week or so.
Anyway.
That's exciting.
It's
Good.
just a couple guys here working. So
Nice. Beautiful.
good.
All right.
All right.
See you back out in the field.
Thanks.
Bye.